Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike, this is Build and Tinker, and we're continuing the Ford Falcon XB Mad Max car with issues 75 through to 78, and it looks like we're going to be doing some seats, so let's get going. So we're doing the left-hand seat, and we're starting with the seat base, and actually we've got a few different bits to attach first. So I'm going to take this piece here, which is the seat adjustment handle, and it goes into this base piece. It's pretty obvious where it goes because there's a keywayed hole here. So we're going to put it goes on the outside, and we're going to put it like that into the recess so that the handle sticks up, and we screw it in from the inside using a PS05 screw. And then the next step is to put in the seat foam. So again, it's a nice piece of, it's actually a really nice piece of foam. I'd be quite happy to sit on a seat made of this. It drops into place, it's shaped, so it can really only go one way. And then we take the top, which is a rubber piece, and it's going to just push over this, over the whole of the frame. Starting with the front so that it can slide back down, and just gently work it around all of the different parts that are sticking out. And it does just push on, there's no screws or anything. And then one final part is on the end of this lever we need to put this very small rubber cap. And there's our seat base complete with the adjustment handle. And that's it, that's all we do for issue 75. So pretty quick and easy. We'll move on to issue 76. So issue 76 is going to be even quicker and easier. There are two parts. They are for the seat back. We've got the cover, we've got the frame. They're shaped, pretty obvious which way they go, and you put the frame into the cover and give it a squeeze. And that's it, the issue is done. Assembly complete. Pretty quick. So we'll move on to 77. So in issue 77 we get the foam part for the seat back. We also get the rear seat back cover and some screws to hold it all together. So we're going to take the part we just assembled in the previous issue and we're going to put the foam in. Again, it's shaped so it's obvious which way it goes. It just drops in there quite nicely. And then the seat back has these four posts. There's posts in the seat itself, and we're just going to simply push one over the other. The posts are slightly angled, so you sort of want to get all four of them started and then you can push them down together. So it does need to be level as you're doing it. So there's our seat back. We're obviously going to now attach that to the seat's base. Again, it's obvious where the mounting points are. They're here at the corners, so we're going to put, we just line it up to start with and sit it on the bench like that. And we're using PS05 screws. So line up the holes and pop the screw in the middle. And we'll flip it over and do the same on the other side. Okay, so our seat's now assembled and it will move just a little bit. And then we're going to actually install the seat into the interior. So with the interior on the bench, this is the left seat, I think. No, it's the right seat. So driver's side. And that literally is going to screw in here. So there's a couple of holes. We've got these posts as well. I don't know if they play a part, but let's get this lined up, see if we can get it screwed in. We'll get our screws ready as well, using more PS05s. So let's get two of those ready. And there is our first seat installed. So we can now drive the car. And they look pretty good. They are rubbery. They do look a bit leathery. They might do with a little bit of weathering maybe. Even on a well-kept, newish car, there's going to be a little bit of wear on the seat. And then next we need to install the other seat. Now, I can't remember how long ago it was we made that. I think it was a little while, but it'll be in my box, so let me go and grab that. Obviously this seat's going to go in exactly the same way as the previous one. And that's the end result, both of the front seats installed and looking fantastic. That's the end of issue 77, so we'll move on to 78. So issue 78 is the beginning of the rear seat, and it looks like this is the seat back. Yeah, I think it's the back. It doesn't say explicitly, but just looking at the shape of it, again, it's going to be pretty easy. We have the cover and the frame, and they are shaped, and we're literally going to put the frame inside and pull the cover around it. That's it. That's issue 78 finished. So that's it for issue 78. Very quick, very easy. Sometimes a little disappointing we don't have a lot to do, but they are at least large parts and they're bringing the interior on in leaps and bounds. So a very, very short video because although we added some big pieces of the car, they didn't take very long. But that's the way it goes sometimes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. Remember to click the like button if you liked it, or even if you didn't. Make a comment below. Let me know how you're getting on with your model. And do click that subscribe button if you haven't already. It really helps me out. It costs you nothing at all. In the meantime, have yourself a great day. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.